Hey there! If you are looking to delete your Immersity AI account, you have come to the right place. Whether you are switching to a different platform or just cleaning up your online presence, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC and head over to the Immersity AI website. Make sure you are logged in to the account you want to delete. Once you are logged in, look for the account settings option. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen, often represented by your username or a profile icon. Click on it to open the settings menu. Tab on Manage Account and scroll down. If you have connected your Google account, you will be seeing right here. Simply tap on Disconnect if you have connected your Google account. Now go back to your settings and scroll down and tap on FAQs. In order to delete your account permanently, you have to contact the support team. Simply tap on Support Team and type your inquiry right here. Type your username right here and type your email address. The subject, delete account. Click on I am not robot. Tap on Verify and tap on Submit. And that's it. Your Immersity AI account should now be scheduled for deletion. Keep in mind, it might take some time, so have patience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.